Dang it, he's first. No! Mowgli? Mowgli!
Whoa!
You got it, Mowgli? Alright guys, we're super excited to be out here at the Newark Skate Park with
Kaden.
And we're gonna do what?
We're gonna play a game of bike versus skate.
That's right. We're gonna play a game of bike versus skate. I have no idea. Is this gonna work at all?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just confused though, because what if we do like a board slide? What would that be? Really?
Yeah.
That would work?
I mean, I can't really do it.
But kind of. Okay.
People do it.
People do it. Okay. So we'll do our best. So this is gonna be just like a normal game of skate, except for we're gonna do a trick on the bike or the skateboard, whoever goes first, and then you have to do that equivalent trick.
Yeah.
And fortunately or unfortunately, we have a whole team of trained, seasoned professionals ready at the drop of a dime to do any skateboard trick versus just you. And you're only how old?
8.
You're only 8 years old. So you know how to do the Rochambeau?
I play rock, paper, scissors.
Exactly. You ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, whoa, you did it East Coast. We gotta go again. I'll do it East Coast, right?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Great minds think alike. Wow. What? Dang it, he's first. Ow!
Do you stretch before you bite?
You gotta stretch, dude.
Dude,
Come on. You only ate once in your life.
that is that is the pleasures of being really, really small.
Alley-oop, the hip.
Alley-oop the hip. All right, deal. So I think we get to like choose which person does it, or we all gotta do it.
Nope, only one person on
Okay.
defense every time.
Right there? No! Okay. Alley-oop the hip.
Okay.
I think that's you, Mowgli. You got
is
that?
it okay to grab?
Is it okay to grab?
Yeah.
Yeah, technically because he's holding his handlebars.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can call that on any. That's so fake. Okay, sure. Go ahead, Mowgli.
Oh!
How was that?
Okay.
Yeah? It was okay.
No.
Not the best I've ever seen, though, right?
No, it's the best I've ever.
Okay. Any trick you want, go ahead, anywhere. Your mom's got a whole list of tricks for you.
Disaster.
Disaster. Okay. He's like, I don't need my mom. Wow.
Who's got that?
You think I got that?
Back disaster? You only get one try.
Back? No, front.
I thought that was back. Nice.
Nearly.
What do you
Lost
think about the
everything I
speed
had.
on this?
I'm gonna do the 3 out.
The 3 out?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Dang it, I thought for sure he wasn't gonna make that. Okay.
Mogs, I saw you practicing this the other day.
How are your back threes?
Non-existent.
Pikachu, I choose you!
All right, let's do this.
Do you think he's gonna make this?
No. But I've seen him trying.
Mowgli, I got you!
That was pretty close. Grab the board.
What are you doing?
I tried.
I'm gonna jump into here.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna jump from here to there.
Wow. I feel like this is gonna be a whole game of Mowgli.
Now's your time to shine, Mogs. Easy.
I feel
Aaron,
like
you got that.
I feel like Uzi was purposely in the way.
Bro, here. I want to give you this, dude.
What? No, for
Yeah,
real? You're
yeah.
gonna
This
give
is
it
actually
to me?
it's my skate company.
Wow.
Well, it's my sponsor actually, but
Awesome.
yeah, I love your YouTube videos, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, dude.
Thank
you
you.
should.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, Faithful Skate Shop.
Yeah. Just got a free board. No big deal. Right in the middle.
Yeah, enjoy, brother. Thank you.
Okay. Mowgli? Oh, wait, is Uzi going?
What is this trick technically?
Ollie in.
I'm doing 80 in.
No, for real?
All right, who's up first on your team?
Manual? Do a manual?
Yeah, it's a good idea actually.
I'm gonna try and do something that you can't do. Totally cheater. I mean, what'd you just,
right here?
you bunny hop and then do a wheelie, right?
Yeah.
Across it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Victory!
You up next?
I'm next? Alright.
Too good, he's too good.
360 the hip.
He's gonna 360 the hip.
I'm gonna bunny hop on and 180 off.
I think this is me, right?
First try, let's go.
I'm gonna feeble, but finger.
Let's go.
Watch out.
What? Who's got feeble on a ledge?
On the ledge? Yeah. Alright.
Oh! Now any trick you want.
How about you try this, a bar spin?
Okay, let's go. Dang!
So that means you'd have to 3-flip out of that.
3 flip or tray? I guess either way. Whoa.
Was this me?
Who's all is this me? I was gonna give it a go. Tail whip out? Okay, let's go, let's
I
go.
mean, I don't know how you do, but you could like grab the top and
I think
then,
it's a 3 flip.
you could just
Or
go
maybe, yeah.
Pop, shove, tail grab.
you could
Pop,
just
shove, tail grab.
the top and then spin it.
Yeah, you're right.
That's how you kind of do it too.
Okay.
What?
Why did all of a sudden he just became the best BMXer in the entire world? Dang
That
it.
was insane.
Well, is that me? I guess so.
Whoa!
I swear if I had more speed, I could do it.
I know.
Cool.
Whatever side you want.
Down.
Wait, what? He's not going in there.
Go for it, dude.
Yeah.
Like 3 months.
You gotta roll in though.
Nice, man. So yeah, you guys got to roll in.
Mowgli? No.
I think that was the scariest thing I've ever seen him do.
A wild Mowgli appears.
My next trick is over here. I'm gonna hit this step up.
All right, from here to here?
Yeah.
That was good.
Do I gotta do this?
Aaron, you got that?
I do not know how to get enough speed for that.
I tried to do a 360.
You said what?
That doesn't count.
I think that's an E.
Dang it!
I'm gonna do hip to hip.
Hip to hip?
Yeah.
Where's Nigel when you need him?
Dan, you got that?
Do it on the bike.
On his bike?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I feel like people are gonna get mad at me. Oh, it's so small. Oh my god.
He's having second guesses
on.
now.
I gotta have room.
You having second guesses now, Dan?
No, but I gotta have room. Oh my god. It's so small. Oh, how did you turn that? Alright, right there, okay.
Hey, you got that. What's that?
It's like a mini rocket.
It's too full.
Did that count?
And yeah.
I think
We better
are
try
you-
it on a skateboard.
I think we need to do it on the board.
Okay, Mowgli. Can we count that?
I don't know if that counts.
Yeah, it doesn't.
B?
Oh,
We got a
yep,
B?
that's a B.
Dang.
Step up, I'm gonna step it down.
He said he already stepped it up, now he's gonna step it down. Yeah.
Mowgli!
Mowgli!
There you go, get in his head.
Dang, does that count? Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna like jump, grind, and then just jump down.
Grind and then jump down?
Yeah.
From where? Here?
Just to here, to flat.
Okay.
Oh,
You
Yes!
messed up.
We got in his head.
All right, Aaron, it's your turn.
Okay.
So he did a flat ground kickflip, so I think that means you have to do a flat ground bar spin. Oh, that's a K!
Yes! Oh! I love. He's got it every try, and then we film him. Boom, he misses it.
do a rock to fake.
Okay. Like that?
That counts.
He landed that.
Count it.
That's so easy. I'm gonna 180 air in the pool cover.
What? Nice.
Aaron, you got that?
Early grab. Yeah. Early grab pull out.
All right.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah. All right.
We transfer from right here into that one.
So alley-oop like transferred from there to here?
Yeah, but not out of you.
Okay.
Mowgli. Mowgli.
Ollie into that. Do you want to do it, Dan?
Sorry. I'm just snaking it.
That's an I.
2 letters left, and you only have 2 letters total. Man.
I'm gonna jump down that ramp to flat.
Okay.
Well, I know he can do that because he did the drop. That I know.
True.
What drop?
Go ahead, you got it.
You got it. Full send. Dan, you got that.
Easy.
Can I vote someone else?
You got it.
My knee's hurting. I feel like it's too early for this.
I'm gonna. I don't know. Oh yeah, tire grab.
Tire grab?
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, it's like a nose grab.
Little tire grab.
Or a wheel? Okay, all right.
That count or no?
No, you didn't touch
You
What?
already said.
No.
He said no, you didn't touch your tire. Do I at least get a rebate or not even? You're not even gonna give me a rebate. One more left. We only got 1 letter. What do you got?
You gotta do something epic.
He says he's got it. He's claiming. Oh! On a skateboard, the equivalent of the thing he's trying, I think it would be like an airwalk, which Mowgli's, it's like Mowgli's special trick.
Whoa!
He wasn't playing. All right.
You got it, Mogul.
You got one more try.
Tries.
You got one more try.
Last letter, you get 2 tries. how you play in bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Oh!
I shot it too much in the air.
You did amazing!
I won.
Good job.
You made me want to learn more vert.
That's true, same. Well played.
I'm hungry. I haven't ate breakfast.
Losers don't get to eat.
They do, they just have to eat.
I went in my heart
Oh, wait.
because I went in the big bowl. I actually dropped in. So,
Proud of you.
yeah.
On the big side? Yeah. Oh, nice.
Wow, well, you really gave us a run for our money, but in the end, we really took you out.
Yep.
Just kidding. You destroyed us. I think we only maybe landed 2 or maybe 3 tricks you didn't land.
Yeah.
Well done. What do you got to say to all the BMXers/skateboarders out there?
Keep trying.
Keep trying, never give up, and you're never too young to start, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. And so you do your own YouTube channel.
Yeah.
What's that called?
At King BMX.
Yeah?
That's Instagram, and then on YouTube is BMX King.
And you guys should go to that link in the description below and give him a subscribe. Check out his videos. He does some really rad stuff. You recently learned to do a backflip, right?
Yeah.
That was amazing. And yeah, some incredible BMX talent coming out of this 8-year-old. Well played.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, can even learn how to ride a BMX and a skateboard. Let's go.